When a husband feels disrespected, whether through criticism, dismissiveness, or lack of appreciation, his natural response is to withdraw emotionally. He stops initiating conversations, affection, and quality time. His wife senses the emotional distance and starts feeling unloved. Over time, he grows colder, shorter in his responses, and may even avoid conflict altogether. When a wife feels emotionally neglected, whether through a lack of affection, communication, or appreciation, her natural response is to become critical or distant. She stops speaking kindly, makes sarcastic remarks, or focuses on what's wrong instead of what's right. Her husband perceives this as disrespect and pulls away even further, leaving her feeling even more alone. When it's like this, you both are hurting, but neither is fixing the problem. The longer this cycle continues, the more disconnected they become. And the more disconnected they feel, the harder it is to restore love and respect. But here's the truth. Love and respect are both essential for a healthy marriage. One is not more important than the other, nor always bucking head with each other about stuff what's not important. It's about breaking the cycle. To break this cycle, you must start by doing this. Number 1, name the cycle out loud. Awareness is the first step. When you recognize you're in this loop, say, I think we're stuck in a cycle where I feel disrespected and pull away, and feel unloved and get upset. Number 2, pause and reconnect physically. Instead of walking away when emotions run high, try holding hands while talking. Physical connection calms the nervous system. A 6-second kiss, proven to release oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Number 3, create a repair ritual. A simple go-to phrase can reset the conversation. I love you. I respect you. Let's figure this out together. You don't have to be perfect, just aware and willing to shift. Small changes in how you respond can completely transform your marriage. If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.